Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance online. Getting started is quite simple. First, make sure your gaming device is connected to a strong internet signal. You will then navigate to the online section from the main menu. Often, a subscription service, such as Just Dance Unlimited, is needed to unlock all the online features and a vast library of songs. Don't forget to log in with your Ubisoft account to track your scores and connect with others. The World Dance Floor is a fantastic way to experience Just Dance with a global community. This mode allows you to join thousands of players from around the world in live, interactive dance sessions. You can compete in various themed events, vote on the next song to play, and even challenge bosses together. It's a dynamic environment where your scores contribute to a global ranking, offering endless fun and friendly competition against dancers everywhere. Want to dance with your friends specifically? Just Dance makes it easy to create private online sessions. You can invite up to 5 friends to join your group for a personalized dance party. Simply create a private room and share the unique room code with them. Once they enter the code, you'll all be dancing together, seeing each other's scores and enjoying a synchronized experience. It's a perfect way to connect and have fun with your closest dance partners. To make the most of your online Just Dance experience, a few tips can help. Always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to avoid any lag or disconnections during your dance sessions. Practicing your favorite songs will definitely help you improve your scores and climb those leaderboards. Don't hesitate to explore all the different online modes and participate in special events to keep the experience fresh and exciting. Most importantly, have fun and keep dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.